Hi everyone and welcome to the Kotlin Programming Language course. This video contains what is Kotlin Programming Language and what you're gonna learn at the end of this course. Let's jump to the contents. We will learn what is Kotlin, who is this course for, what you will learn, why Kotlin is important, what you need to get started with Kotlin Programming Language. So what is Kotlin? Kotlin programming language is modern programming language created by JetBrains. It is concise and safe programming language, and it is interoperable with Java programming language, especially for mobile application development. It is an official programming language for Android mobile applications, and we can develop mobile applications with new features that this programming language has. We can use this programming language for different areas like backend development, desktop mobile application development, cross-platform apps, and so on. And as I said before, it is fully interoperable with Java programming language. We can use Kotlin and Java programming language codes together to develop different mobile applications. And it is supporting multi-platform for shared code across platforms. Who is this course for? A beginner looking for a programming language to start programming, and especially for people that they want to learn mobile application development and use Kotlin programming language for a language for mobile application, Android mobile application development, because this is an official programming language for Android mobile applications. And if you want to learn how Kotlin programming language works, especially compile the codes, you can learn basics of Java programming language, how Java compiling the code. And if you want to shift from Java programming language to Kotlin programming language, it would be much easier for you to learn how Kotlin programming language works. But still, you can use Kotlin programming language and start your programming journey. It is also for an experienced developers wanting Kotlin programming language to add for their skills. Suppose developers that they are in other areas of programming, coming from Java, coming from C++, Python, and other programming language, they can use Kotlin programming language for Android, for backend, and others. As I said earlier, for developers that they want to start their programming language for Android mobile applications, earlier they have used Java, but nowadays they can learn Kotlin programming language for Android mobile applications. For anyone that they are using Kotlin programming language for backend, for desktop applications, or cross-platform projects, they can use Kotlin programming language as a language, and it is easy to code, less code, and having different features for easily code for your programs. Why Kotlin is important? It is the official language for Android development. For Android mobile application development nowadays, Kotlin language is the first language that developers use for developing different mobile applications. It is concise and reduces boilerplate code. It means that when we are writing the code with Java programming language and compared to Kotlin programming language, it is much more easier and readable, and especially it is less code compared to other programming language like C++, Java. It is fully interoperable with Java. What do we mean by this is we can use Java programming language plus Kotlin programming language for developing different mobile applications, and we can use together these two languages to program different functionalities for mobile applications. Supports cross-platform development with Kotlin multi-platform. Includes modern features like null safety and coroutines for better performance. We will learn about these all functionalities of Kotlin, features of Kotlin, what is null safety in upcoming videos, what is coroutine for how we can handle multi-threading with Kotlin and all. What you need to get started: a computer with any operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. An IDE. For this course, we will use IntelliJ IDE, and you can use Android Studio for running your codes and using Kotlin programming language. Java development kit is important to run your codes. As I said earlier, the Java development kit and JVM is important for running and compiling your codes. Kotlin compiler. You can install the Kotlin compiler from its official website, or directly you can use it by IDE like IntelliJ or Android Studio. A basic programming knowledge, familiarity with basic programming concept, and don't worry, we will help you without any knowledge of programming. Even you can learn this programming language, and everything we will teach one by one. Thank you for watching. Let's start our Kotlin programming journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the course.